Can I sit next to you?
Right here?
Yeah.
No, this is too small. I mean,
I can fit into it. That's my old chair.
sure.
I will wait. I will wait for you.
You can see right here, but don't go to the extra fire. Stay with me, okay?
Okay.
See, I'm proud of you.
Hold on. I need the plastic part. Grab the duck. Pull. I will wait.
I will wait for you.
I love
I
you.
will wait. Duck. Duck.
Sing to me.
No.
I will wait.
I will wait for you. I will wait. I will wait for you.